So in our previous session, we have already gone through the skewness and what is positive skewness and what is negative skewness of distribution. So now let us talk about kurtosis. So kurtosis measures the peak of the distribution and heaviness of the tail. Generally, heavy-tailed distributions don't have a finite variance. It means we cannot calculate the variance of these distribution. If we consider that the distribution is not heavy-tailed and build the model on this assumption, it can lead to kurtosis risk of the model. The value of kurtosis for mesokurtic, this one, if you can see it here, for mesokurtic distribution is 0. For platykurtic, which is flat, this one, it is negative, and for leptokurtic, the thin one, this one, it is positive.